This is called Sajja Billalu, Nuchina Kadubu in Kannada. Let's begin with the recipe. I'm going to boil the water 1:3. I will allow this to boil. If you don't have hyacinth bean, then you can use moong dal. Now the water is boiling. I shall add the bean. I'm going to add in the salt, jaggery, grated coconut, some oil and some ghee. Time to add rice Sooji and close the lid and allow it to cook. I think it is done and ready to make the dish. This is my idli vessel. While this is hot, I'm going to make it into patties. I'm showing you another version of making this. This is the roasted one. For this, I don't want to make it so big. I'm going to make it into small ones. This is for the roasting purpose. Now the water is boiling in this. I'm going to spread a muslin cloth and place this and close the lid tight. I would steam this for 15 minutes. While the patties are steaming, I would like to show the other variant. So I'm going to grease the pan. I will start keeping the patty. Now this is roasted on both sides. Now this is steamed well for 15 minutes. Onto the serving plate. Hot patties. The steamed version and the roasted version. For more recipes, like and subscribe SBL Food.